Hello, it's Emmanuel with My Little Cookbook, and today we're going to be showing you the dish squeegee. So this tool is great for when you have to, when you have leftover food on your plate and you're trying to wash your plate. This thing is great for just clearing it off, throw it in the dishwasher, and you're done. It's way better than a sponge because you have to have water running. This will save you some water, and it's just great because you can do it in 2 moves and throw it in. It's a great little tool to have if you don't have one. They're really cheap. Got this one for about $5 off Amazon. It's pretty cool. You use the flat side for plates and the curved side for bowls. And it's a squeegee, so you can use it to squeegee a countertop if it got wet. And it's a great little tool. Highly recommend it. And we'll show you how to use it real quick. Here I have a dirty plate. It's got some BBQ sauce on it, and I'm going to use the squeegee to just squeegee off the BBQ sauce. So here we go. First time using it. Let's see. One. And there you go. Dishwasher in, or you probably even look done. Just rinse it off. And you're done. And here I have a bowl that has some ketchup in it. I'm going to use the round side to try to see if I'll scrape off the stuff in the bowl. There we go. And good for the dishwasher. We got this squeegee for about $5 off Amazon. If you want to pick one up for yourself, just go to my website, www.mylittlecookbookforyou.com, and check out the blog post titled The Most Useful Kitchen Gadgets Under $20, and you'll find it there along with a bunch of other cool gadgets. Thanks for watching.